Okay, here we are, Zoe.
Go ahead and do it.
And we're going to go visit Annie. Say hi, Annie.
Hi, Daddy.
Say we're going to go see Annie. Okay, go that way. All right, come on. Here we go. Here we go.
You lead the way.
Zoe brings a lot of happiness to the people here. They love to see her. Okay, let me go open the door.
Here, I got it. You go.
Okay. Okay, Zoe, here we go. Come on in. Here she goes.
Hi.
Zoe. Zoe. I gotta get in front. Zoe, what are you doing? What are you? Zoe. Zoe, look at me. This is a convalescent home. This is a nursing home. Why are you doing this? Hold on. Stop. Zoe. Zoe, turn around and look at Granny. What are you doing? You doing that? Zoe. Zoe,
Okay.
stop.
Let's go.
Which way you guys are going?
Oh, which way are we going?
This way.
Oh. Come on. Oh, hi. Let me see.
Hi, Adrian.